They told you to work harder, save more, be patient, and somehow you're still behind. Meanwhile, someone else bends the rules and jumps 10 steps ahead. Not smarter, not luckier, just playing a different game. And here's what nobody tells you. The system doesn't reward effort, it rewards awareness. So the real question is, why are you still playing fair in a game that was never fair to begin with? You felt it, didn't you? That quiet frustration, watching people with less discipline, less skill, somehow win. You followed the rules, you stayed in line, you did everything right. And still, you got overlooked, underpaid, undervalued. This is not an accident. They teach you obedience, not leverage. They reward predictability, not power. And slowly, you start to believe the lie that wealth comes from grinding harder. No. What you're about to see is the difference between people who chase money and people who control it. Number 1. They don't trade time for money. You were told to sell your hours, work more, earn more, simple. But the people you envy, they broke that rule early. They stopped thinking in hours and started thinking in systems. A business, an investment, a digital asset, something that works while they don't. Pay attention to this. If your income stops when you stop, you don't own your life. Power statement. You don't need more hours, you need leverage. And here's the truth. Time is the poorest currency you can trade. Number 2. They use debt like a weapon. You were told debt is dangerous, avoid it, fear it. And yes, bad debt traps you. But smart debt, it multiplies you. They borrow to build, to acquire, to expand. While you save, they scale. Real world, you save for years to buy something. They use borrowed money to buy something that pays them back. Let that sink in. Power statement. It's not debt that destroys people, it's ignorance. And they know exactly what they're doing. Number 3. They don't follow opportunities, they create them. You wait for the right job, the right moment, the right chance. They don't wait. They position themselves where opportunities are forced to appear. New markets, new skills, new environments. They move fast, you hesitate. And in that hesitation, you lose. You don't find opportunity, you become it. Number 4. They understand attention is the new money. You scroll, you consume, you watch. They build, they publish, they attract. In today's world, attention is currency, and most people spend it carelessly, while a few collect it. Real world, you follow creators. They become the creators people follow. If you don't control attention, you will always chase those who do. And chasing never leads to power. Number 5. They break invisible rules. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most rules you follow aren't real. They're habits, social expectations, silent agreements. Stay in your lane, don't take risks, don't stand out. But the ones who win, they question everything. They test limits, they step where others hesitate. This is not rebellion, this is awareness. The moment you stop obeying blindly, you start seeing clearly. And once you see, you can't unsee. Number 6. They think in years, you think in days. You want quick wins, fast money, instant results. They think differently. They plant seeds, knowing most people won't wait long enough to see them grow. Consistency, patience, strategy. While others chase noise, they build quietly. Wealth is built in silence,
and revealed all at once. Most people will never understand this. You were never the problem. You were just playing a game without knowing the real rules. And now you see it. The illusion, the conditioning, the trap. So here's your decision. Will you keep trading time, chasing approval, following paths that lead nowhere? Or will you step back, think differently, and start playing with awareness? Because the moment you stop explaining yourself, the moment you stop seeking permission, everything changes. Silence is the most powerful response. Awareness is the most dangerous weapon. And wealth? Wealth follows those who see what others refuse to see. Decide today. You don't need to work harder. You need to wake up.